Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change WhatsApp's language on Android or iPhone. Firstly, you need to open your WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. To access settings, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Now, let's choose the app language. Go to App Language under the Settings menu. Browse the list of available languages and select the one you prefer. Like English, French, Chinese, you can choose wherever language you want because WhatsApp, of course, it's universal. WhatsApp will instantly update the selected language after you select it. And that's it, your WhatsApp language is now updated. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.